Hello and welcome back, people. Today we are on our Android mobile because this user L2B2N, the developer of Solopool, which we discussed in our previous videos for mining QBitX project, has just released an Android wallet. In fact, the wallet is released maybe a week ago, around 7 to 10 days ago. But we are going to review it now because I have been overviewing the wallet in the community, and the reviews from the community are very good, and the wallet looks smooth from the community's perspective. From the reviews that were that the developer of this pool and the wallet was getting, the reviews seemed like the wallet is working fine, and it's working better than the Windows wallet, and many were preferring it over the GUI wallet on Windows or Linux. So apparently mining on this wallet is also good and smooth. So let's mining in terms of using the wallet address of this mobile wallet, Android wallet. And the developer also hinted and told about iOS wallet, which I think was being listed on App Store or on the Apple's App Store for maybe about $25 to $30, I guess. And the developer of this app also asked the community to contribute for the listing of the app. So you guys can check out the community and contribute if you guys like. We will be reviewing the Android app in this video, and let's see how it goes. So if we go below and click on QBitX Android wallet, we will go on to the releases and the latest release, which is 2 days ago. And if you see, the first version was around last week, and let's just download the latest release. Now let's see the improvements. The first version had multi-language support, full transaction history screen with dedicated history button, compact 4-button dashboard, send, receive, refresh history, back gesture fix, no longer closes app, signed release APK. The second release had compact 4-button, okay, similar, history button always visible, okay. Now third version had a wallet import, now strips white space line breaks from pasted backup keys, error messages now shown on import screen was silently failing. Now basically he has been doing the improvements and fixing any errors that were coming in the app for the users. And the developer of the Solopool himself has claimed that the amount of effort he is putting into into these kinds of apps and works, you can say projects like wallets, etc. for QBitX, he hasn't done it before for not at this level for any other project. Maybe because he also sees the potential of the project, and just like me, even though fingers are twisted because the project isn't progressing at a pace that many other POW coins progress, but the aim and the team seem legit and pretty solid. So we expect a very good move for this project with, you can say, steady speed but quality progress. So let's just quickly review the wallet now and go ahead in our video. So we'll just download the app release.apk and we will install the app now. Okay, so now we will click on download. We will allow the app to install, and we can install the app. We will accept. Okay, shortcut. Okay, so the app is installed basically. Now we will open the app. Okay, welcome to QBitX, quantum resistant cryptocurrency of the future. Okay, so basically the app is like an official QBitX wallet for Android. Create wallet, import wallet, even though it's not from the official team, I think, but it's been developed like to be endorsed by QBitX fully. So create wallet, import wallet, dilithium 3, MLDSA 65, post quantum signatures, AES 256, encrypted SHA-256, D proof of work, proven consensus mechanism. Let's do a create wallet, even though I have a wallet already on my Windows and I can import it, but we will like to create a new wallet, and let's see if it works. Also, I will go to settings, and I like to see what are other settings that are available. So we can set up RPC connection. It's a very good feature for an Android wallet. I'm already liking the wallet and the interface. It's very clean in my opinion. So let's go and see how the app further looks. So RPC connection, stateless RPC, no wallet data on server. So it's on default, I think, connected to Solopool site. Okay, connected main block 135,196. I think it's the current block. We can set up a security pin, and it's QBitX wallet version 1.3.1. Now I think we did download 1.3.2 and it says 1.3.1. Maybe it's not updated in the newer version in about section, but I'm pretty sure we have downloaded the latest version. So now we will click on create, but first I would also like to confirm that we have the latest version. So we will go back, we'll go into our files app to confirm. So I just went back to Telegram and I am downloading the app once again because and I will update it because I just wanted to reassure that we have the latest version. So now we have downloaded the version 1.3.2. I'm just rechecking. I know, even though last time also I think we downloaded 1.3.2, but if it says in about section of the app that we have 1.3.1, so we can reinstall it, and if it still says the same, then maybe it's not updated for the app yet. So let's just check right now. Okay, it still says version 1.3.1. maybe it's not updated, but it's not a very big issue or error. You can just call it a silly, lazy, you can say, maybe forgotten update in the newer version. It can be, it's not impactful at all. So let's just now see what's the other features of the wallet. Now I see send, receive, refresh, history. Okay, history is there, connected wallet PQ address. Now we can copy this address and paste it. Apparently we can do mining with it, and we can use it for any transaction. Now if we click on send, I'll just check one thing. We can click on amount, and the fees, there are 3 options: high, normal, low. I don't think there is a custom option yet, but maybe in future we can see that option also. Now we can change the amount over here, and it shows 0 available, of course, because we have created this newer wallet. Now if we go to receive, we can copy the address. It's the same address that's being shown over here. So we can refresh the wallet. I see we can add a new wallet. Now let's say wallet 2. Okay, so, and we can also switch between the wallets, wallet 1, wallet 2. Okay, nice. Now let's create a third wallet and name it XRYPTO. I'm just checking if these wallets can be created smoothly. Okay, the name is XRYPTO. So I see the wallets are nice, the interface is nice. Now we can also check if the receive and send functions are working. So I will send over here some QBitX. So if we use this, I'll copy my address and use on faucet to claim 2 QBitX and see if the wallet is able to receive those coins. So let's just head over to faucet of QBitX. So we are back in Telegram group of QBitX, and over here we can click on the faucet, and we will put our address that we copied from our Android wallet over here, 378, and we'll verify, and now we can claim. Okay, it says transaction ID success. Okay, so it, according to my experience with the Windows wallet, the transaction starts to show within a minute, and it's received also within a minute or so. I see the balance at least in my wallet. So let's refresh the Android wallet, and if we go to history, I don't see anything yet. We try to receive it in XRYPTO in the third wallet. I will try to restart the app right now and see if it refreshes. So nothing till now, and if you try to see the transaction ID on the we can open Explorer. We can see 0 confirmations till now, even though in the Windows wallet I think I had seen the incoming transaction before receiving, but I think the Android wallet may be taking a few confirmations, or maybe a single confirmation before showing your balance that is being received. So we will have to wait for a confirmation, and after we get a confirmation, I will resume the video, and I'll pause over here for the quick confirmation. Okay, so just a few seconds later, I see one confirmation in the Explorer. I haven't checked the Android wallet because it just updated. So now we can go in the wallet and refresh. Okay, we see 2 QBitX now. So it's depending on a single confirmation before giving us. Yeah, it shows 1 confirmation now in the transaction history as well. So I have received my my coin. Now I will try to send them and check the send feature, and if Android wallet works smoothly or not. So first we will try to send to our from XRYPTO wallet to our wallet 1. Let's try this. We'll go to our wallet 1, copy the address, and from XRYPTO we will send 2 QBitX with a low fees. I think currently all the 3 fees are similar, but let's just send from low fees. Okay, it says something in a different language. Let me just do 1.99 because I didn't leave any room for the fees. Okay, still there is some error. I think we can try 1.95. Okay, still there is an error. What about 1.9? The error persists. We can try 1.8. There is an error. We can try 1.5. I think 1.5 should be sendable, but I don't understand what's this error that is shown over here. We will have to translate it. I will translate it, and I'll come back to the. Okay, I just took a screenshot to copy the text and translate it. And according to this, send failed, invalid recipient address. Okay, so maybe there's an it shows an error in the address of the wallet, so we'll recheck that. So I'm back in the wallet app, and I see it starts with mm and ends with QE. Now in my wallet address I see the address in receiving, it starts with mm and ends with QE, but I think it can't send from two similar wallets. It can't send in between them, or maybe there is an error in between in sending coins in between your own wallets. So let's try to send from our XRYPTO wallet to our exchange, QBitX exchange account, the sole exchange that has listed QBitX up till now. So I'll click on send, and let me just grab my QBitX deposit address from QBitX. Okay, so we are on QBitX now. I will click on deposit and QBitX. Here is our deposit address for QBitX. We'll copy the deposit address and go back to our QBitX. This is our QBitX wallet now. We'll paste the QBitX address over here. We'll in the amount section we can write 1.95 normal and send. It still shows the same error. So let's try 1.5. Okay, it's still showing the same error. I think the error is persistent, but we can't sorry, the Android camera encountered a problem. You may need to restart the device. Okay, I tried to scan the QR code, but it also shows an error. I don't think the sending function is working properly, but we will try to refresh and check if we have received two confirmations on the recent transaction. And let's try one more time before sorting for a solution other than this. I will try to send one coin this time with a high fees and click on send. Okay, the error still persists. Okay, so I've just tried to search in the community, and when I searched the word error in the community of QBitX, I've came upon this message that a person named in something in Chinese maybe received a similar error in which he is asking for help for sending coins. Now the developer of the Android app L2B2N replied to him saying, I will look into it. It's down below. Yes, he said, thanks, I will check. And a few messages later, he said, it's no bug, it mature 100 confirmed need. Next update will display immature. So, and it's on 20 March, and I think the next update is here. It shows it's 25 March today, but in my opinion, this feature isn't added in the new release till now. And because we had only two confirmations yet, so we can't send the coins until they are 100 confirmations and they are matured. They may be immature as till now, and it shows available in the wallet, but according to developer, he said it should be shown immature. So this thing is maybe this thing may be a little concerning, or maybe looking like an error for some newer users. But through this video, I hope that you guys can see that I'm also receiving the similar error, and if I go in my history, I can constantly track the confirmations, or I can simply track them in the Explorer. And once you have 100 confirmations, try to send your coins, and I'm sure that they will be sent because they are matured after that. So the wallet, in my opinion, works very smoothly, and I received the coins right away. I'm seeing the coins, even though 100 confirmations error, I won't call it error, but if it's what the developer has said, it's according to that, then I don't see immature coins over here, and I think that update isn't added. And if we leave that and we leave it for further updates, the app is quite interesting and you can say appealing to me as a clean app. And even though I don't see any light version for the interface, but the app is working, and it's working really good, smoothly, and there are simple options that we can use in our Android mobiles to navigate through the wallet and use our coins according to that. So kudos to the Solopool developer for developing this app. So my final opinion on the app and the wallet would be a 4 out of 5 stars. 1 star would be left for the future upgrades and updates that are always improvements are always, the room for improvements is always there. But this app is I think surely better than the Windows wallet, and a lot more cleaner, more smooth than that. And we can, if anyone has an Android mobile, I would be using this app instead of using a Windows wallet. So kudos again to the developer of the wallet and to the QBitX team if they did it and collaborated with the Solopool developer. And that was it from today's video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.